Hi, this is Sammy with Rev Motoring. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace windshield wiper blades on a 2017 Audi A4. Step 1. Cycle the key on. From the main menu, select Vehicle, go to Service and Checks, and scroll down and select Wiper Change Position On. To remove the wiper blade, you click the button, take it out. You can put a microfiber towel underneath to avoid scratching your windshield. Grab the new wiper blades. Keep in mind the longer one goes on the driver's side, shorter one goes on the passenger side. Take your new wiper blade, snap it into place, good to go. Turn wiper change position off. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description below to save on your next set of windshield wipers.
We're ready to rock.